There we go. All right, SI. Fuck, man. I'm telling you. I am not on the wrong side of history today. Fuck. EXPI 8%. All right. Continuing a pretty big bull run, crypto and stocks. I'm just out of sync with crypto, man. Jesus Christ. Excuse my language, but all right, EXPI having a great day. The Qs are up 0.38. That's a new high for the Nasdaq. What's up, Mohammed? Tesla playing around here in this upper area. FLGT still a very healthy stock. EXPI new highs. SI just destroying. SI destroying all. GBTC right. Blockchain back up. YY with a nice follow through out of that choppy base. What's up, Topher? PLTR. Space has been just happily trying to jump up, and it looks like it. I don't know what's going to do it today, but it looks like it's gonna. Looks like it's having another blow off day. It's very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. VFF new highs. Snow trying to bounce back out of some lows. Volume today looks great. Absolutely super. Soxel taking a day off. HubSpot, Uber so far trying to go for highs. Let's see how it goes. We started off pretty bullish. SI's down a little bit. NASDAQ looks like it's stalling a little bit. MJ looks very tight. Very, very tight. Kind of similar to that. May take a little blast off at some point here. That's just super, super tight action. Last time a quick 20%. Have a similar flag situation. That would be up here at like 28 plus if it were to do the same type of 20% in short order. All right, EXPI coming down. SI already down about 5 or 6% after a massive gap. All right, blockchain holding as it should. SQ new highs. Those of you don't know, that's square. Not quite a double bottom base. We had another new high here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Not even sure if that's considered a flat base yet. It's a little deep for a flat base. Probably would have to be going towards a cup, which means it's just a consolidation. BEP. Take a look at DraftKings. There's Microsoft. DraftKings is up to flat. Microsoft is flat to down. They didn't. Looks like they didn't release any numbers after Super Bowl. You think they would? Think they would do that? 10 Super Bowl prop bets, including Doink special. Yeah, nothing there for that. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab some water. Let's go see what's at the high. We'll look at that, and then I'll be right back in a minute. Let's look right blockchain. Take a look at SI, which is the leading one today. XPI doing good too. Planetary trying to roll back too. I'll be back in a minute, guys. I gotta grab some water. All right. Hey guys, sorry about that. Tesla buying 1.5 billion of BTC? Are you fucking kidding me? Is that the news? Really? Oh my god. Oh, you're playing with me? Uh, don't fuck with me, Jared. Not today. Oh, they did? No, I didn't know this. I've been asleep, Mohammed. When they do this? Guys, I've been out of sync. If you guys can't tell, I have been freaking out of sync with everything. So, oh, 40 minutes ago? It bought 1.5 billion of Tesla or Bitcoin. No shit. So there's going to be their own Bitcoin bank. Oh, and a 10K annual report. It will begin accepting Bitcoin as form of payment for our products in the near future. No shit. It's also been backing Dogecoin on Twitter, setting its value up. Yeah, no kidding. In January 2021, we updated our investment policy to provide us with more flexibility to further diversify and maximize returns on our cash that is not required to maintain adequate operation and liquidity. As part of the policy, we may invest a portion of such cash in certain specified alternative reserve assets. Therefore, we invested in aggregate 1.5 billion in Bitcoin under this policy. Moreover, we expect to begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment for our products in the near future. I wonder if that was the spike we saw the other day. Well, a couple weeks ago now. We mentioned there was really no major selling. Subject to applicable laws and initially on a limited basis, which we may or may not liquidate upon receipt. Well, shit. 1.5 billion? That's a shitload. Well, it's enough. It's enough to do to cause that. I wonder if that's when they started their investments back here. That was that pump up we were talking about. You learned what Grayscale is doing with their premium? What are you talking about, Jared? With their premium? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. Litecoin ETN for Grayscale up a bunch. Bitcoin, GDLC, PLTR, SI. Having a great day today, even though it's sold off significantly. But I mean, it's broke out from 75 up towards 150 in like 2-3 weeks. So institutions can deposit Bitcoin and Grayscale and then quickly sell for a 30% premium for instant profit. And I'm going to go with no. So get rid of that supposedly. I don't know how they would sell for 30% profit. Makes no sense unless they're just. I don't know what that means. There's no way. Bitcoin is, you can't really arbitrage Bitcoin to the point of really 1 or 2%, let alone 30. Yeah, you can, Ellie, at some point. Yeah. WDLF and AITX. Oh shit. AITX going up too. Yeah. WDLF. I told you it wasn't done. I didn't know it was going to be that not done, but it ain't done. If you buy from Grayscale, you have to pay 30%. Really? Wow. Yeah, no. That's weird. That's so weird. Look at this fucking thing. God damn. I should have bought more of this. Actually, I didn't buy any of this. And AITX continues to look healthy. UAL coming back a little bit. At least attempting to. Really good volume this morning. Kind of in a bull flag. I could try to go. You're loaded on MJs. How's MJ itself doing? Super tight. Oh, it did break out to the upside. How about APHA, Tilray, CGC? Yeah, is it? Seems like a little too high to load. EXPI. I've got EXPI. I'm not loaded on it though, but it's still performing excellent, and SI is still killing it. I feel like I'm late to the MJ party, Ellie. So I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do here. Well, the MJ ETF with that even that small consolidation does look intriguing. But I looked at some of the uh, options, I guess. The option premium, it's way too crazy. Yeah, you got net. Net looks pretty good too. You got the market cycles webinar. Yeah, it's a pretty good webinar. Yeah, it's a long one too. It's a pretty long webinar. I really do like net. Net looks really good. Yeah, I should just buy a position in net. I'm so out of sync, man. I'm bad. I'm very badly out of sync with the markets, especially crypto. I'm just my trading is just my analysis has been pretty good, but my trading has been just hot garbage, absolute trash. And I'm like, I see it pop up 12%. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I've been looking at net lately. Today's a nice sign that it's popping up above that trend line. Look at the volume too. It's been super low. And then you have a good day like that. Yeah, I probably should jump in some net myself. I've been really hawking on this. Nvidia's up 4%. Oh, there we go. Maybe Nvidia's going to start going. Maybe chips are going to start going. 224. Yeah, the thing about earnings though, they haven't it really hasn't been that bad like these big megas, even Apple came down, but it's just it's hasn't done much. It isn't a bear flag scenario, but it really hasn't done much. Um, so but yeah, definitely not running. Microsoft had earnings that is holding it up pretty good. Super tight right now. I don't hope it actually starts to break out and go up. That would be good for the market. But Nvidia trying to come out of this really wide, interesting, choppy area. That's been a hard one to kind of wrap my head around. Usually choppy means not good, but Nvidia's in such a strong position. There's no way it's at least I don't think there's any way it's going to drop down precipitously, but and extending up this morning. Good volume this morning too. Yeah, earnings 224. It's a few weeks out. Let's look at what was my old net trade? Is it in here? No, it's not. I have to look at one of my older net trades and see what I had. What do you think about net there, Ellie? Damn, Litecoin up 40%. This thing was running just so huge over here. Is Litecoin actually running? Not really. Not sure why they're so happy about Litecoin. Maybe that's a good sign for Litecoin. So Litecoin went on a pretty big tear, over here from November to about January. So this came on. There's November. It was just November. This is such a weird. This thing is so weird. It has no idea what it's doing. All right, let's get back to net. Oh, geez. I had December calls for net. That ain't working now. For net, Ellie, March 95 or March 19, the 85s. Ellie, how many positions you got? Are you on Rob's bandwagon now? I wonder. Okay. Yeah, I've been thinking about diversifying a little bit more too, but yeah, I'm not. This one's pretty good though. This isn't too far gone yet. I'm not really too mad with net. Super low price action, pocket pivots, pretty good. Yeah, I need to change something. I don't know. Like I need to change something. I don't know what it is. UALSQSI coming down further. Jeez. And EXPI holding strong. This thing gonna go forever. This thing's gonna run forever. So wish Microsoft would do the same thing. Come on, Microsoft. Yeah, the big caps running hasn't shown up. It will at some point, but it hasn't yet. I'm not quite sure how to rectify that. But I do like Net. I do like Nvidia, even though Nvidia is a big cap. I don't think Net's. Whoops. I don't think Net's a big cap, but I do need to get some Nvidia before it's gone. I think this one's been really hard for me to time. Rob, what you got? What's working for you? Is it just that? What is it called? WDLF. What you got, Rob? Work it out. Walk it out. Talk it out. How did I open a new tab when I was in my options tab? Somehow closed the options tab. That was weird. What you got, Rob? Wow, nice. Good. Yeah, VFF's been pretty good. I never jumped back into that. You probably never sold it. Yeah, SI's killing it. Looks like it's definitely having an event right now. Tremendous amount of volume this morning on the sell-off, but it's still managing pretty good. No major reason to ditch it if you've just got stock, which I think you do. So yeah, AITX is manageable. WDLF obviously. Did you get a normal position size in WDLF? Yeah, it's funny. There's a whole thing about making big money in the markets, and your family doesn't give a shit. I have a feeling you're about to find this out, Rob. I've um I've been. If you guys don't know, there's a Fat Fire room on 12/7 on WDLF. Nice. Yeah, there's a thing about if you go to Reddit, If you guys don't know, you guys should check it out. There's a fat fire room right here, and this room is all about retiring early, financial wealth and independence and stuff like that. There's a post in here somewhere. I can't hard to find stuff on Reddit, but this guy's account or his whole whatever was worth over $1 million, and he went to his wife. It was in the morning. He went to his wife. He's like, honey, worth $1 million, and she goes, great. You gonna make breakfast? Like she could give two shits. So yeah, there's that. Maybe your wife's different. I don't know, but um, so anyway, there's that thing. Yeah, but we'll congratulate you. 4 times more on 114. Nice job, Rob. Yeah, I do think it's very interesting because I mean America is all supposed to be about success and all supposed to be about getting ahead and stuff, but then when you get ahead, um, they don't care, and half of them don't like you anymore, and some people think it's fake, some people think it's this and that. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, Ellie. I don't know. Beats me. But some haters gonna hate, I guess. Maybe people just tried it and failed and don't want to believe it. Um, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is, but it's the deal. Man, you got some people with big opinions over there, Ellie. Yeah, I just talked to you guys. My friends are cool. They're not really money hungry. I try to help them out. Yeah. Yeah, right, Jared. All right, let's get back to work here. So net doing pretty good. We got Nvidia. Looks like topping for right now. Not too bad. All right, Cell H doing pretty good here. Rob's probably got some Cell H. Cell H has been declining volume here recently. It's been on a pretty big tear. I don't know if anyone knows about it yet. All right, Tesla 1.56. Cyber. Been waiting for Cyber to do something. It hasn't transpired. Well, can't complain much, can you, Rob? So, all good, buddy. Yeah, Adobe's still looking pretty good here. Flattening out, probably just reducing volatility, a higher low here. Very similar to a lot of these other large caps right now. But it's all these intermediate ones, these SIs, the EXPIs, the FLGTs, all these ones that kind of fly under the radar. They're just rocking it. We got to keep in, we got to keep on top of these ones probably. Yeah, you mentioned MEC. I didn't think that chart was that great. Now it is going on a trajectory. If you look at this 10-week moving average, which is like the 50-day, I mean that's just in a nice slope. Looks like that one's still going. I don't think we're gonna get the 20 to 50% pops out of it. Yeah, it'll do 1 to 2% a day. It'll be one of those, which is fine. No issue with that. I don't know if it's right for me though in terms of options play. I mean, but it's definitely trending, which is fine. Maybe it'll get going at some point. I don't know. ACMR. Well, there's a cup and handle. Looks a little better. Yeah, at least for me, I find myself going more and more towards like this type of a setup right here and looking for that continuation. So there's like a beautiful strong uptrend, and now we have a A pretty clear cup and handle. Looks like it's deep though, 50%. It's way too deep for a cup and handle. Yeah, diamond hands, Rob, diamond hands. While everyone else sells, you have diamond hands. I think that's how it goes. This is a little intriguing though. Are you buying prior to breakouts? Yeah, I'm so bad by myself, man. There we go. Yeah, so that's about the level. If I can get to zero, which I probably can't. Should have bought more PLNHF instead of going so heavy on Tesla. Yeah, how's that one doing? PLNHF was looking super good. Yeah, there we go. See, this one's going to go too. This one's already going. Yep, it was right there on Friday. Sorry to run away from yours, Ellie, but it's kind of one got forgotten about a little bit. Yeah, this had a, a nonchalant 52% ramp up here for PLNHF. That's when you see those Motley Fool commercials. I think that one's already on its way. Yeah, this one on the cup and handle it does look pretty good. Volume's not in a bad spot. We'd like to see a couple of pocket pivots. Don't have them quite yet. Let me add it to the actionable list here. I think I got PLNHF on here too. You know what I think they're doing? Look at Amazon and Apple down here. I think they're not buying these and they're buying all these other ones that they want to buy. Then they'll flip the script at some point. Damn EXPI. Can't stop, won't stop. Look at that thing. At least I held on to that one. I fucked up SI. I fucked up a lot of them, but I got back EXPI. Not as heavy in my main account, but I did pretty good on this account, I think. AMD, Tesla. You dropped Donkey Kong? Is it failing? It does look like it's failing up here, doesn't it? I bought this in my main account. I'm down in it. I got a half a position. It's not too bad, but yeah, I think with the Super Bowl they would be a little bit more whatever. Volume here, fairly heavy. It's not, rocks, killing it heavy, but it's fairly heavy. It's like we had a big gap up over here one of these days. See if we find some support. Today's not too bad. All right, EXPI, SI, APHA doing good. I, I've missed quite a few really good signals, to be honest with you. I'm not good, man. I'm not good these days. I'm out of sync, and I don't know what to do about it. Uh, Someone rip my emotional lobe out of my brain, please. Of course, I was heavy Microsoft and Apple, so it's probably not the worst thing that I'm. I still have quite a bit invested though. I got Microsoft EXPI, Donkey Kong, a little bit of Rewalk in Tesla, and then I've got in this account AITX, and then EXPI and Microsoft. That's pretty much it. And TQs. I got TQs. And that's all I got. I don't have a lot. Yeah. EXPI could be heavier. I ditched SI about, $3,000 lower because I'm stupid. Uh, yeah, I took a leg on a PLO. That was not too bad. Random slack. Oh, I've seen that before. Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, a bunch of green candles through the roof. That's pretty good. Celsius. Celsius, Celsius. Looking pretty hot right there. Yeah, that's the funny part, Ellie, right? Like crypto's supposed to make you all this money. I'm like, we've been doing good in stocks. I may be out of sync, man, but I think I'm out of sync because I got so much damn money. I need to adjust to it. To be honest with you, I think that's part of why I'm so out of sync. Is it just rallied so hard, so fast, and any little blip, I'm like, no, it's mine, and then I sell like an idiot. So EXPI gone. Remember that high tide flag, Ellie? Remember that? That legitimate high tide flag? Yeah, faked us out a little bit, and then boom. So yeah, EXPI absolutely murdering. Yeah, I took a half position on it. I'm not even sure if it was a half position. I think it was a third position. No, it was about a half position. That's not bad. I'm trying to make myself feel better. Your account's at all time highs. I'm still down from all time highs. So I'm not rubbing your face in shit. You're at an all time high. That's all you should care about. I, on the other hand, am not at all time highs. Maybe in this account, but not the other account. And I think Rob is. I think Rob doesn't have his shoes anymore. He's launched out of them. So, hey, can I say something real quick? I'm fucking proud as hell of you guys out there. I'm freaking serious. I know. There's we don't have like a big chat room. There's only I don't know how many people on here. 7 right now. A few of you chat constantly. Some of you guys are lurkers, but I mean, Ellie, Rob, dude, you guys are killing it. I'm serious. I'm serious. You guys are doing so good. Muhammad, are you doing good? Like no one else posts about their stuff. I know, you don't want to post anything unless your account's at an all-time high, but I mean, it hopefully, everyone is, elevating their status, at least learning and having good trades and cutting losses good. You doing okay, Muhammad? All right, there you go. Yeah. AMC like an a-hole. Yeah, I got done with the COVID stocks. They just weren't moving. They just weren't moving. Oh, you got caught up in the Wall Street bets thing? Yeah, don't get caught up in that stuff, man. Don't get caught up in that, man. It's not good. Stocks shouldn't be that fun. Not with people on Reddit fun. They should be fun in their own right. You short this shit. Like, yeah, I told you, man. I have very weak hands. I should have held that. Just that one short I had, I'd be up. I'd have doubled that account. Well, at least on Friday when it was down at 50. But yeah. Oh, the no bankruptcy news. Oh yeah, I'm not familiar with the AMC story. I know they had the no bankruptcy thing. Was that this big pump? Yeah, Justin. No, you guys told me about that. I didn't know about that. Jared's learning a lot. Your longs are great. 110 from 2 years of starting my girlfriend account that I helped make her 90% in 1 year. Granted, this market is kind of on fire. Yeah, that is one thing, Jared. To be honest with you, this is an extraordinarily good bull market. And, Rob's giving me some credit. Thank you. I appreciate that. This market has a lot to do with it. You are right, Jared. And here's the key, which we did really well during the pandemic. And Rob and Ellie, Muhammad, I think, was on and off through that time frame too. He's been more vocal lately, which has been great. But during the pandemic, we did an excellent job of staying out of trouble. That is, in reality, over my years and, successes and failures, that has probably really been the thing that has helped the most. It is staying out of fucking trouble, staying out when the market is not doing good. And then, Rob is killing it in terms of holding these positions for long periods of time, letting the market work. I mean, Rob is killing it on that for sure. My options trades are different. My options trades pop and I get a big gain real quick and then I'm out and then I'm just sitting here with my finger up my ass for until the next trade comes along. Um, but yeah, Rob's holding on to all these, and Rob's got a good eye, man. Rob's got a freaking good eye. I mean, time has proven that. I gave him a lot of shit. If you notice, I don't give Rob shit anymore. I don't give Rob shit anymore. Now I got little penny stocks on my watch list because, hey, there you go. Just reading some comments here. Yep, Jared learning a lot. That's good, man. Yep, just keep identifying those good setups and taking positions with limited risk if you can, and there you go. Rob, you got more than a shot in the arm, dude. You are killing it. You're doing excellent. Jared's I'm almost feeling pulling some of my stocks I've held for a year plus and buying more BTC and silver. Um, don't get I don't know, man. I don't get caught up in silver. BTC is a good asset from a lot of perspectives. It does have a lot of growth right now. And yeah, fuck silver. Just buy Bitcoin. Like seriously. Silver may have a day, but silver is silver ain't shit. I don't like silver at all. Silver's garbage. You out of here, babe? All right, bye. Okay. All right. Did you text Jackie? Did you text Jackie? Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah, BTC is the way to go, Jared. Any type of those. If you want any kind of a inflation hedge asset, and I think that's what's kind of becoming known right now is that, dude, BTC is for real. No, if you're gonna forge it, yeah, that's cool. I'd like doing some of that stuff. I think it'd be pretty good. I like playing with all that shit. It's fun. I like making stuff. Turning my garage half into a wood shop. F cell, yeah, but don't talk about F cell. It's not on my list though. Oh yeah, continuing out of a small consolidation here, not too bad. WDL 5 minute flag, dude. This thing is that's great. I don't have any major issues with that. And it looks like there's quite a bit of selling stepped in right there. Um, yeah, I should have bought some WDLF on Friday early when it was first starting to get going. Quarter position, yeah, I don't know about right now. Give it a little bit of time. Well, it's up 93%. These things they can, but they will rarely continue when they have these massive, massive flags. See, that's the thing is they're just it's just rare that they continue. What does this one do again? Oh, the largest contract from that 1.35 million, 1.98 million with like Hostess or something like that. They make frozen waffles, fruit flavored snacks, cereal bars. Yeah, so I don't know the market cap of this company, but yeah, not even 2 cents now. They were under a penny on Thursday. Now they're 2 cents for crying out loud. Yeah, I don't mind the flag. I mean, this still reeks of accumulation. I mean, this whole entire chart. So yeah, I don't think it's too bad. Well, it's one of these big is yeah, it's a Fortune 500 conglomerate. It's one like a Hostess, which is owned by whoever. You know what I mean? Like it's a really really big one. It's a huge one. All right, I gotta get out of here, guys. It's 8:15. Um, yeah. All right, guys. Hey, great job, everybody. Been a pretty good day so far. Markets are looking good. We just need the only reason the mega caps aren't going, I think, is they're trying to buy some of these other stuff that they want. I don't know what it is exactly, but we're probably seeing it on the top of my actionable list here every single day, which is a lot of BTC and other stuff, but and MJs, which Ellie's all over the MJs. Hopefully they'll keep going on their rally. And I mentioned Nvidia. If you're into some megas, it's looking pretty good. Net also looking pretty good. Yeah, for sure, Jared. So net's doing pretty good. Not a lot of volume though. A little bit more this morning. We'll see what it does. I haven't bought anything today. I haven't bought anything. Holding on to my stuff. Yeah, we got to practice a little more patience. Justin, a lot of us do, me included, especially with, yeah, me. I got a lot of a lot of patience. I don't know. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do the streams with you guys and everything, but I'm gonna do like a detox for like, I don't know, however long it's gonna take for me to feel normal again. I don't feel right. I just don't feel right. Now I can't pin it down to. Well, I know what I can pin it down to, but I'm not ready to divulge that yet. All right, guys, get out of here. Have a good day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.